Ask the students to collect the wrappers and then they will read and understand the wrappers ingredients and then they will complete the table.
Name is Baldania Mohini. Product number 1 Parle-G. Ingredients Maida harmful, sugar harmful. Product number 2 Gopal. Ingredients Maida harmful, palm oil harmful. Product number 3 Maida harmful, palm oil harmful. Product number 4 Gopal harmful, palm oil harmful. Product number 5 Balaji. Ingredients harmful. Product number 1 Gopal. Ingredients Maida harmful. Ingredients
Harmful.
Product number 2 Parle-G. Ingredients Maida harmful. Ingredients 2 sugar harmful. Product number 3 Balaji. Ingredients turmeric powder harmless. Product number 3 Good day. Good day. Ingredients Maida harmful. Ingredients 2 palm oil harmful. Name is Chandu Raji. Look at my wrapper. Product number 1 Balaji Haldi. Product ingredients number 1 whole turmeric harmless. Product number 2 ingredients number 1 maida harmful. Ingredients number 2 harmful. Ingredients number 3 tried harmful. Ingredients number 3
Product number 3.
Product number 3
Ingredients